Go ahead and ease yourself back into your chair. Allow your legs and arms to rest nice and easily. And we'll start to focus in on our breath, focus in on our mind, and just allow ourselves, ultimately give ourselves some permission to spend the next few moments together worrying about absolutely nothing. The only worry we should have is that we aren't taking care of ourselves. Again, the next few moments we're together, that's all we're concerned about. So many people think it's selfish. So many people think it's self-centered. But giving yourself back some mental energy, taking your own health into your priority is crucial. Because without these moments for yourself, it's truly impossible to be there for our loved ones, to care for the ones around us, and to live the most fulfilling life. Let's take a few cadence breaths together on my count. Gently, go ahead and take a breath in. Feel your lungs filling with that precious air. And then slowly let that breath completely melt away from your body. Follow it with another one. Gently breathe in. Hold for a second at the top. And ease that breath all the way out into the world. Let's do one more just for good measure. Breathe in. Hold for a second. And relax that breath. The theme here, the name of the game, is to not force anything. What is anything? We're not forcing our breath. We're not forcing a thought. We're not forcing a movement. We're letting everything involved in our mind and body to flow together naturally. Just as easily as that breath comes into your body, it passes out just as effortlessly. And this lightness, this feeling of peace from that nice, natural breath, it makes you feel even more at peace. The more you can truly appreciate how natural it is, the more we can relax. Take a nice breath in. Hold it for a second at the top. And gently ease that breath all the way out into the world.